what's up? It's me, Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another skincare haul review skincare video again with the products that were sent to me by YesStyle for their acne oily campaign. So these products that I'm going to show you are going to be perfect for those of you who are suffering with acne, who are dealing with oily skin, or for those of you who have oily to combination skin types. For those of you who are new to my channel, my skin type is oily and I do suffer and deal with acne whenever I'm not getting enough sleep, or maybe I'm just really stressed out, or maybe I'm not eating healthy. So that's the times that I suffer from acne. My main skin concerns are whiteheads, blackheads, enlarged pores, and excess sebum production. So those are the things that I try to help with doing skincare. And I'm also just recently turned 20, so I'm kind of starting to add like skincare products that are helpful in reducing lines or just preventing aging. Most of the products that I'm going to be showing you are from brands that are vegan and cruelty-free. So if you are trying to be really careful now with the brands that you are consuming, you don't have to worry about that in this video, because most of these brands are cruelty-free and vegan. I feel like that's all that I have to say, so if you are interested in what I have for you, then please keep on watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Cleansing is important when you have oily skin to make sure that you are keeping your pores free from dirt and oil to prevent the spread of pimple-causing bacteria. I recommend the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser for oily skin because of its pore-friendly ingredient. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging properties such as citric acid, which also promotes collagen production. This cleanser is really great for removing residues and keeping your skin's natural pH balanced, but if you have really oily skin, you may opt to double cleanse because this cleanser is super mild. After cleansing, use a toner to prep your skin for better penetration. The PURITO Centella Green Level Calming Toner is best for acne and oily skin because of its main ingredient, Centella asiatica, also known as tiger grass. It contains natural moisturizing factors that draws water into the skin, which is crucial for moisturization. After toning is when you apply sheet mask. Sheet masks have a higher concentration of activities that delivers products deeper into the skin, but they are not always great for acne since masks can increase the temperature of your skin, which can increase bacteria count on the surface. The Face Shop offers a variety of sheet masks that you can choose from depending on your skin concern, including aloe vera and green tea, which are great ingredients for oily, acne-prone skin. I would recommend using sheet mask only 1 to 2 times a week. Serums are also great for oily, acne-prone skin. I would recommend the PURITO Centella Green Level Buffet Serum for everyday use. This contains 49% of Centella asiatica extract and panthenol, which soothes the skin irritated by external environmental stressors and prevents skin inflammation. This serum is great to use when you feel like your face is stressed out because of too many ingredients that does not suit your skin. To seal everything in, it is great to use a recovery cream. The PURITO Centella Green Level Recovery Cream contains 50% Centella asiatica extract and ceramide, which strengthen the skin barrier and prevent the evaporation of moisture inside the skin. This cream is non-sticky and can be easily absorbed to control the skin's oil and water balance. And last but not least is the Centella Green Level Eye Cream, which contains 49% of Centella asiatica extract. This cream deeply moisturizes the delicate skin around your eyes and is great for wrinkle and pore care. If you struggle with hay fever or allergic rhinitis, it is convenient to keep an eye cream to keep the skin around your eyes nourished. I also use this on my smile lines because it helps reduce skin creases. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. All the products that I mentioned will be linked down in the description box down below. And I do have a code for you at YesStyle, which is Kyla1717. You can use this code on your checkout to get an extra 5% off of your first purchase and 2% off if you are a regular YesStyle consumer. If you are interested in more skincare reviews and recommendations from me, you may follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is at Kyla TNGPLN, or you may also follow me on Twitter if you are interested in some other random stuff. So my Twitter is at Kyla Dongpalan. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!